Hello friends, I am Preeti and welcome to our channel Crazy for DIY. Chocolate Day is the third day of Valentine's week and it is celebrated worldwide by all age groups, especially the youth, couples and friends. So here I am presenting an idea to prepare a chocolate bouquet. So without much ado, let's get started. To arrange this chocolate in the form of cake, we'll require a cake base. These cake bases are easily available in the market, but if you don't find a cake base, then you can also use a mount board and wrap it up with aluminium foil. Then we will require 2 plastic disposable containers, one big in size and the other small in size. A piece of thermocol cut in the size of small container. The big container will form the first level of the cake and the small container will be the upper level. We'll elevate this container using the thermocol on the top. This is how it will look. Now we need to wrap our containers before arranging the chocolates. For that, we'll use aluminium foil. First we'll wrap the big container. Now we'll wrap the small container and thermocol together. We need to place the thermocol side on the top. Now we'll attach the bigger container with the cake base. Now we'll arrange 5 stars at its edge with the help of masking tape. I've taken a long strip of masking tape. And I've rolled it like this and I'll paste this at the edge like this. Now we'll arrange the 5 stars. And we'll continue doing the same on all sides. We are done with this. Next we'll stick the smaller layer in the middle. Now we will fill the sides with small handmade chocolates. I am using green colored chocolates. They should be very compact. This is how it's looking. Now I'll be taking a balloon stick. You can also use a stiff straw. I'll divide the balloon stick into 3 parts. I've done the same with one more balloon stick. Now we'll insert these balloon sticks in the thermocol. Now we have inserted the balloon sticks in the thermocol. This is how it's looking. Now we'll stick 5 stars around the balloon sticks. This is how it will look. Now we'll take a red ribbon and tie it around the base. Now I'll be inserting these heart sticks inside the balloon sticks. They are easily available in the market. Isn't this looking like a cake? This can be made with any chocolate of your choice and will still look equally tempting. Also, if you want to make any new recipe this chocolate day, you can click on the card flashing above. I hope you have the sweetest chocolate day this year with this chocolate bouquet. So, do it yourself. For more such videos, do subscribe my channel, like, share and comment on my videos and stay tuned. Also follow me on my social media networks. I'm there on Facebook, Pinterest, Instagram and Twitter by the name of Crazy for DIY.